I have a Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to use TikTok on that TV. So there are two ways you can do this. The first way is by using screen mirroring or AirPlay. So you can screen mirror your iPhone via AirPlay, or you can screen mirror your Android phone through QuickShare or just normal screen mirroring. And so what you want to do is simply mirror your phone to the TV. Now I've already done a whole entire video on how to do that. So I'll just quickly go ahead and screen mirror my phone right now. So since I'm using Samsung, I'm going to screen mirror using Smart View. So once my phone is mirrored to the TV, as you can see, I can now just go ahead and launch TikTok, and I can enjoy the benefit of TikTok on the big screen of my TV. So as I scroll through TikTok on my phone, then I'll also be able to see everything on the TV. Now, the other way you can do this is using the browser. So just disconnect. I'll just go ahead and disconnect that. So if you don't want to use your phone to screen mirror TikTok to the TV, then you can always go ahead and use the built-in browser. So just grab your remote and look for the browser application. It's called Internet. Now this is a default browser for Samsung. It's the same browser you get on your Samsung phones. So just go ahead and launch the browser, and then go to the URL section and type tiktok.com. You can just type with your remote, but if you've connected a wireless keyboard and mouse, then that should make the whole experience much better. But you can still use your remote to do this. So you'll go to tiktok.com. So it's gonna load like that, and then you'll have the option to log in. Okay, so let's log into our TikTok account. We're going to log in using the phone. So let's go here. Now it's a bit difficult because I'm using my remote to scroll. Like I said, if you have your a keyboard and mouse, maybe a wireless keyboard and mouse connected, then this should be much easier. So I can log in like that. It's going to generate a QR code. I'll use my phone to scan the QR code. Then it's going to ask me to confirm login on TikTok for desktop because it's a browser, so it assumes it's a desktop. And then I should be logged in. You can see the page reloading. And so there is TikTok for you. Okay, now I've connected a mouse to the back of my TV, a wireless mouse, which makes it easier for me to scroll, find things, go back, and it's the full TikTok experience. So we have messages here, notifications. I can go to my profile, as you can see. I can even go to settings. I can just, it's basically the full TikTok experience right on my Samsung Smart TV browser. Okay. Now, as a pro tip, before I end this video, if you have your smartphone with you, you can always go ahead and install the SmartThings app, set it up with your TV, and then you'll be able to use the remote on your phone, which also provides you a keyboard, so you can easily use your keyboard, your phone's keyboard to type, and then you'll also get a mouse on your phone that you can use to navigate instead of using this very hard to use remote control. But that's basically how to use TikTok on your smart TV, Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.